Yes, Jai Gurudev children. Beta, today onwards we are going to take our revision classes. That's why I am teaching you in this way, so that everybody of you can understand. Till exercise 2.4 it came in your previous exam. Okay, in the month of April, May month the exams was conducted now. At that time you have given up to the exercise 3.2.4. So this time your syllabus portion will be 2.5 to chapter number 4, means third and fourth will come completely, and 2.5 exercise will come. Already I have taught you, and you can see my previous videos also for that revision portion, because all the children having those links. Okay, and I will try to give you also while the revision classes will go. At that time I will try to give you the again I will try to give you, so that I can send the link one more time to you, so that you can do your revision properly. But here are some questions again I am going to discuss you with you, in which you can feel the difficulty. Okay, here beta you can see that question number 7 is there in exercise. Rest of the simple division everybody can do, because in class 4th also we have done how we can make a number divisible, or how we are getting the remainder or divisor or quotient. Everybody knows that. Okay, and how we are getting the numbers also, this is also everybody knows. But in some question you can feel difficulty. That question again I am going to discuss with you, so that you will not have any problem. Okay, just see here how I am going to exercise 2.5 and question number 7 is there. See that what is the question. Find the least number that should be added to 36516, so that the number is exactly divisible by 456. See that what is the number 36516. 36516. If you will make the means it should be exactly divisible by 456. How you will do that, beta? You just take the means make this number 3651. Okay, because in 365 you can't make the division. Okay, because it is smaller than 456. Then in which number you can make the division? 3651. I can see that if you know the tables very easily, with the help of the smaller table also you can go nearer to the number. You can see that 4. If I will check the table of 4 8 the 32. It means if 456 I will multiply by 8, what I will get? I am going to check it. See that 8 6 ja 48. Okay, what will come carry? 4. 8 5 ja 40. 40 plus 4 44. Again 4 is coming as carry. 8 4 ja 32. 32 plus 4 36. You can see that it is coming smaller than 3648, and here it is 3651. So it is coming nearer to this 3651. It is coming 3648. Okay, now I am going to subtract it. You can see that 11 minus 8 3. Here 4 minus 4 0 0 and 0. So now this number will bring down. You will bring down it here 636. If I would like to make 36, then exactly we have to make divisible. So how much less is 456? At this 1 ja it should go na. So it is only 36. So how much less this 36 from this 456? For that you have to subtract 36 from 456. See that 456 minus 36 is equal to what you will get? 420. If you will add 420 in the given number, then here how much remainder you can get? Remainder you will get at that time 456. Okay, if you will add 420, and then 456 1 ja 456, then the number can be completely divisible by this 456. So in this way what you should add in this question? 420 you should add in this question for make it completely divisible. In this way you have to do this, because all the children are facing the problems in this question number 7. Okay beta. So in this way we are finding the answer. I will try to find the question like frame the question like same for you, so that you can do the solution of that one with the help of my solution. Okay, then you can see that during a flood the government sent this to 5 villages. How much? All the questions already I have discussed with you, and I am sending the link of that video also. But here what I am going to do for the revision of this exercise, I am going to give you some extra question. I am going to give you some extra question in your WhatsApp, so that with the help of that you can, with the help of those question, you can do the solution of these question. Okay, and in this way you are you can see that whether you are able to do this exercise or not. Okay, are you getting me? I am framing some question for you so that you can do their solution. Yes beta, some question I am going to do on the basis of the division for your homework also, and I am sending you the link of the previous video also, so that you can do the with the divide your all the textbook questions, and along with that I am giving you some extra question so that you can do the question with the help of that one also. See that beta, 51. Here I have written the question. I am just showing you, or I will send you in WhatsApp group also. Okay, you see that up to here it is your homework part, F part. Okay, and from this means divide and verify, divide and check your answer. You have done this kind of question previously also. Here I am going to show you how you have to do, and with the help of this you will do. And some word problems also I have given to you, as you have done in your book. Okay, on the basis of that I have framed some question for you, so you will complete them also in your revision part. And here you will see that how I can going to do this one. 51. First of all, in 12 we can't make division. 126 is greater than 51. So 51 3 ja it will be greater, so 2 times it will go. How many times? 2 times, or it will become 102. Now see that 6 minus 2 4. Okay, and 2 24 will be remainder. Now bring down 8. Okay, 4 ja 200 and 5 ja it will be 250. So it will near to 250, so greater than 250. So how many times it will go? 4 times. So you will check and make a table of that particular number on the right hand side, and with the help of that table you will solve it. 4 1 ja 4, or 4 5 ja 20. Okay, now see that 8 minus 4 4, 4 minus 0 4 minus 0 beta 4. Okay, now bring down this number 6. Okay, this number now 51. 5 8 ja 40. So 51 into 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. 408. 408. Okay, and 9 ja 9 1 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45. 9 45 9 ja, see that 51 9 ja 9 1 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45. It is becoming greater. So how many times your division will go? 8 times. So see that 8 times. What? 8 1 ja 8, or 8 1 ja 8, or 8 5 ja 40. How much it is becoming? 16 minus 8 8. Here it will become 3 38 as remainder. Now you have to check your answer also. So how you will do? Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend, is equal to dividend. Now see that dividend, by mistake I have written spelling. Okay, now see that, don't divisor, how much is divisor? 51. So 51 into quotient is what? 248 plus remainder is 38. Okay, now do 51 into 248 separately. I am doing here. See that 51 into 248 multiplied by 51. 8 1 4 2, 5 8 ja 40, 4 5 4 ja 20 plus 4 24. Okay, 2 carry, 5 2 जा 10 और 10 plus 2 12. But okay, now beta add it 1 4 4 plus 2 8 or 1 or 2 1 2 8 4 1. How much it is coming? 1 8 जा 8 1 8 जा 8. Okay, by mistake I have written here 1 8 जा 8, 1 4 जा 4, 1 2 जा 2, 5 8 जा 40, 4 carry. Okay, 5 4 जा 20 और plus 4 24 और 20 और 5 4 जा 20 और plus 4 24 4 and then 2 carry. 5 2 जा 10 plus 2 12, 8. Here it will become 8, then 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 2 6. So it is coming 1 2 6 4 8. How much it is coming? 1 2 6 4 8. Plus how much you will do? 38. Add 1 2 6 4 8 plus 38 was coming as a remainder. So add it. 8 plus 8 16, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 6 2 1. 1 2 6 8 6. How much it is coming? 1 2 6 8 6. Okay, 1 2 6, and it was your dividend. It was your dividend. So it has verified. It has verified. So in this way you have to do the rest of the question which I am going to give you for your homework. You will complete those questions also. See that beta how I have done. First of all I made the division. Okay, as I taught you. Then what? Division, divisor into quotient plus remainder is always equal to dividend. Okay, now see that 51 into 248. 51 into 248. Okay, plus 38. So 1 2 6 4 8 plus 38. Okay, so what it will come? 1 2 6 8 6, and 1 2 6 8 6 is already equal to your dividend. So it has verified. It has verified. So in this way the questions which I am going to give you from here, those questions also you will perform yourself, and for the rest of the question which was your exercise question, for those questions you will see again my video, because there is no meaning that the same question again I will solve and send you. There is no meaning. Already it has we have discussed those questions. So you just again solve in your rough copy and do your more and more practice for your revision part. So in this time you will complete the revision of exercise 2.5 with my some extra question I am giving you on the basis of the same question. And if the child have learned those questions, then he or she very nicely you can solve those question here. Till that beta, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.